Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do support our videos with a like, share, comment, or subscription. Thanks you. In part 1, we discussed the reasons why your steering wheel might be vibrating or shaking. Now, let's delve into practical solutions and preventive measures to address this issue effectively. Wheel alignment service. Wheel alignment is essential for a smooth driving experience. Misaligned wheels can cause your vehicle to pull to one side and make the steering wheel vibrate. Alignment services adjust the angles of the wheels to meet the manufacturer's specifications. This prevents the car from veering off course and helps in maintaining even tire wear. 1. Improves vehicle handling. Proper alignment ensures your car handles well and responds accurately to steering inputs. 2. Extends tire life. Evenly aligned wheels prevent premature tire wear, saving you money on replacements. 3. Boosts safety. Correct alignment reduces the risk of accidents due to poor vehicle control. Consider getting a wheel alignment check at least once a year or whenever you notice symptoms of misalignment. Suspension component replacement. Worn or damaged suspension components can significantly affect your vehicle's stability and cause vibrations in the steering wheel. Key parts to check include shock absorbers, struts, and ball joints. Replacing these components when they're worn out is crucial for maintaining a smooth and safe ride. 1. Enhanced stability. New suspension components provide better control and stability, especially during turns and over bumps. 2. Improved ride comfort. Fresh parts absorb road shocks more effectively, leading to a more comfortable driving experience. 3. Increased safety. A well-maintained suspension system minimizes the risk of accidents caused by poor vehicle handling. Regular inspections and timely replacements of suspension parts are essential for keeping your vehicle in good condition. Brake system maintenance. If your steering wheel shakes when you brake, your brake system might be the culprit. Warped brake rotors or worn-out brake pads can cause vibrations. Maintaining your brake system involves regular checks and timely replacements of its components. 1. Inspect rotors. Warped rotors need to be resurfaced or replaced to eliminate vibrations during braking. 2. Replace brake pads. Worn-out brake pads should be replaced to ensure effective braking and reduce vibrations. 3. Check brake fluid. Keeping the brake fluid at the correct level and ensuring it's clean can improve braking performance. Regular brake system maintenance is vital for your safety and to prevent steering wheel vibrations. Tire replacement. Tires are the only contact point between your vehicle and the road. If they are worn out or damaged, they can cause vibrations in the steering wheel. Inspect your tires regularly and replace them when necessary. 1. Check for tread wear. Tires with low tread depth need to be replaced to maintain good road grip and prevent vibrations. 2. Look for damage. Replace tires with visible damage like cuts, cracks, or bulges to avoid blowouts and ensure a smooth ride. 3. Choose quality tires. Investing in high-quality tires can improve your driving experience and reduce the likelihood of vibrations. Regular tire inspections and timely replacements can keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Engine and transmission mount replacement. Engine and transmission mounts secure these components to the car's frame. If these mounts are damaged or worn out, they can transfer vibrations to the steering wheel. Replacing faulty mounts can drastically reduce these vibrations. 1. Reduces vibrations. New mounts absorb engine and transmission vibrations more effectively. 2. Prevents damage. Replacing worn mounts can prevent further damage to the engine and transmission. 3. Improves comfort. Driving becomes more comfortable without the constant vibrations transmitted through the steering wheel. If you notice increased vibrations when idling or shifting gears, it's time to check and possibly replace your engine and transmission mounts. Preventative measures. Preventing your steering wheel from shaking or vibrating is much easier than you might think. By following some simple tips, you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs down the line. Regular maintenance schedule. Adhering to a regular maintenance schedule is essential to keep your car in top condition. Routine checks and services can catch issues before they become serious problems. Think of it like visiting the doctor for regular checkups. Here are some key areas to focus on. 1. Oil changes. Regular oil changes keep your engine running smoothly and prevent wear and tear. 2. Tire rotations and balancing. This helps ensure even tire wear, which can prevent vibrations. 3. Brake inspections. Regularly checking your brakes can catch problems early, avoiding costly repairs later. 4. Suspension checks. Ensuring your suspension system is in good condition helps prevent steering wheel vibrations. A well-maintained car runs better and stays safer on the road. Proper driving habits. The way you drive can also impact the health of your steering and suspension components. Bad driving habits can lead to premature wear and tear, causing your steering wheel to shake. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Avoid potholes. Hitting potholes can damage your suspension and cause alignment issues. 2. Slow down over bumps. Driving slowly over speed bumps and rough roads reduces stress on your suspension. 3. Regularly check tire pressure. Proper tire pressure helps prevent uneven wear and maintains a smooth ride. 4. Don't overload your vehicle. Carrying too much weight can strain your suspension and tires. Good driving habits not only extend the life of your car but also ensure a smoother, safer ride. Tire care. Taking care of your tires is crucial to prevent steering wheel vibrations. Tires are the only part of your vehicle that touches the road, so keeping them in good condition is vital. Here are some key tire care tips. 1. Maintain proper tire pressure. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep it within the recommended range. 1. Low tire pressure can cause uneven wear and vibrations. 2. Inspect tires regularly. Look for signs of damage, such as cuts, bulges, or uneven tread wear. 2. Replacing damaged tires can prevent vibrations. 3. Rotate your tires. Regular tire rotations help distribute wear evenly, extending the life of your tires and maintaining a smooth ride. 4. Balance your tires. Properly balanced tires reduce vibrations and ensure a more comfortable drive. By taking good care of your tires, you can avoid many issues that cause steering wheel vibrations and ensure a safer, more enjoyable driving experience. In summary, steering wheel vibrations are your car's way of telling you something's wrong. Ignoring it could lead to bigger problems down the road. From unbalanced tires to worn-out suspension parts, there are many reasons why your steering wheel shakes. Each issue has its signs and fixes. Don't wait if you notice any of these symptoms. Addressing the problem early keeps you safe and saves you money. If you're unsure where to start, seek professional help. Mechanics have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the issue right away. Keep your car in top shape and enjoy a smoother ride by tackling steering wheel vibrations promptly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.